Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL and the Electactic Ice Maker. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. The GE Profile Opal is known for its chewable Nugget ice and smart features, while the Electactic offers a budget-friendly option with quick ice production. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL is a premium option at $649, reflecting its advanced features and higher ice production capacity. In contrast, the Electactic Ice Maker is a budget-friendly choice at just $89, making it accessible for those who need a basic ice maker without breaking the bank. This significant price difference is a crucial factor to consider based on your budget and ice-making needs. In terms of ice production, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL stands out with an impressive capacity of 38 pounds of Nugget ice per day, perfect for larger gatherings and parties. On the other hand, the Electactic Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of bullet ice in the same time frame. While both machines offer quick ice production, the GE Profile is better suited for those who require a higher volume of ice regularly. The GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL is equipped with smart features, including Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, allowing you to monitor and schedule ice production from your smartphone. This makes it a great choice for tech-savvy users. In contrast, the Electactic Ice Maker offers a self-cleaning function, which is a convenient feature for maintaining the machine. While it lacks the advanced technology of the GE Profile, it provides simplicity and ease of use for those who prefer a straightforward ice-making experience. In conclusion, both the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL and the Electactic Ice Maker have their unique advantages. The GE Profile is ideal for those who want high-quality Nugget ice and smart features, while the Electactic is perfect for budget-conscious consumers looking for a reliable ice maker. Consider your needs and preferences before making a choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.